This is going to be a quick update on AMC for the close today. There was a lot of options expiring today. It was Friday, May 28th. In our last two videos, we talked about the amount of gamma that was going to expire on the close of trading today. And we thought that would be about 50% of total gamma. And what that meant was there were a ton of call options that were going to burn up very quickly due to time decay. And with that, options market makers could unwind long stock hedges. Now, what is fascinating is the stock gapped tremendously higher from yesterday's close to the open. As you can see, we closed yesterday around 26, and the stock at one point very early this morning traded up at 37. We think this was because of a lot of retail orders coming in at the open. A lot of people get home from work after the market has closed. They put their orders in to buy. All of that demand is pent up and expresses kind of right at the open. So the stock actually traded down over 30% from the highs. So as you can see, the stock really seemed to come down to where it closed yesterday. And the other interesting thing about this 27 level is that if we flip over to our equity hub and you put in AMC, you can see that the largest gamma strike for today, and this is the information that comes out pre-open, was 27. So I don't think that there's any coincidence that the stock had this massive gap higher. And as all those call positions burned up, hedges are unwound, and we settle right below this very massive 27 strike position. So now that all these calls have burned off, a lot of gamma has been removed from the board. We think next week should be a pretty volatile week in AMC. If a lot of call buyers start off the week, coming back into the market, then the stock could ramp again, just like it had done this week. However, if that call volume doesn't come in, we think that the stock will very quickly retreat back down to the 20 area. Now, we talked about this setup in the other two videos you can find on our channel. We also chronicled the moves in our blog at SpotGamma.com. If you have any questions or want access to the Equity Hub, you can get a free 5-day trial. Just hit that subscribe now button that you see at the top of your screen.